If you've ever had to scroll through a massive 50-page PDF just to find the single page you actually need to send to a client, you know exactly how frustrating it is. You try to copy-paste it, the layout breaks, or you try to email the whole thing and it bounces back because the file is too big. Stop doing that. Here is exactly how to split any PDF into separate files in under a minute using pdf.net. Head over to pdf.net right in your browser. There is absolutely nothing to install or download. First of all, upload your PDF. If you just need a single, specific page out of a giant file, like a single invoice or a specific contract clause, on the left sidebar, you can visually see every single page layout. Just click on the exact page you want, hit extract, and you can download just that page instantly. The single page will be automatically downloaded to your laptop. But what if you need to chop up your document into multiple separate PDFs? Say, splitting an onboarding packet into individual files for different departments. Easy. Just toggle the split option. First of all, you can click on the magnifier icon to take a proper look at pages. Then click on the scissors icon, and this will split the document into multiple files. In this case, I have 3 files right now. You can organize pages moving them around. Duplicate, delete, or rotate them. When you have the multiple PDFs organized, click the Action button in the right corner, and pdf.net will pack them all into a neat, high-quality zip file for you to download in seconds. It keeps your formatting perfectly intact, it's completely secure, and it takes less than 60 seconds. Go try for free at pdf.net. The link is down in the description below. If this video saved you from scrolling through giant documents just to cut out a page, hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know how much time you saved, and subscribe for more quick PDF hacks. I'll see you in the next video.